and honestly, without any black spot even in last tenure of 5 years. So that unnecessarily trying to tarnish the image of the Chief Minister, and now it is apparent to the people of this state that there was nothing behind that and it was a politically motivated one.
Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar stokes row with his controversial remarks. D.K. Shivkumar said that Bengaluru won't change even if God descends. Hitting out, the BJP called Siddaramaiah government a curse for Karnataka. Amid this, after hike in petrol, diesel and bus fare, Karnataka government is now planning to hike milk prices in the state. We tell you more in our next report.
Political Nataka in Karnataka. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar stokes row with his controversial remarks. D.K. Shivkumar said Bengaluru won't change even if God descends.
Within 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, in Bengaluru, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಡೆದಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. We have to plan properly. ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
The BJP was quick to hit back at the Deputy Chief Minister.
The difference between the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister is leading to the complete downfall of Bengaluru development. No money is being given by the Congress state government. Only the Bangalore development is happening only through property tax.
However, the Congress defended D.K. Shivkumar's remark and assured the state government is working for Bengaluru's development.
It is difficult to make all the infrastructure, but Deputy Chief Minister is doing his best to have more infrastructure, better infrastructure. And the way, the speed in which he is going is just admirable.
The controversy comes even as the Siddaramaiah government is under fire for rising prices in the state. After hike in petrol, diesel and bus fare, Karnataka government is now planning to hike milk prices in the state. The Karnataka Milk Federation has proposed 5 rupees per litre hike in prices. If Siddaramaiah government approves the proposal, new milk price will be rupees 47 per litre. The BJP is up in arms over the rising prices.
Congress is guaranteeing only one. Clearly, it is price hike, price hike, price hike. All the prices have been hiked and the inflation has increased, the cost of living has increased. They have made the people's life miserable in all the aspects.
Amid the uproar over price hikes, the Congress is facing the flak for its recent purchase of land. The Karnataka cabinet approved allotment of land worth 5 crore rupees for only 26 lakhs for the Grand Old Party's new office in the state, which is 5% of guidance value.
मैं सरकार को पूछना चाहता हूँ, सरकार आपका है, पार्टी आपका है, आपका पार्टी को तो पैसा बहुत है, पैसा का कभी जो नहीं है कांग्रेस पार्टी को, और सरकार चलाने वक्त अभी तो आपको गारंटी के बारे में और डेवलपमेंट के बारे में आपके पास पैसा भी नहीं है. इसके लिए मैं आग्रह करता हूँ, जो वैल्यू है उसको बोरो वैल्यू को उसको पैसा भर देना चाहिए.
Rising prices and the struggle to fulfill guarantees have put the Siddaramaiah government on the back foot. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath, Bureau Report, India Today.